Hello.
Hello.
Did you see a man who ran away from here?
Yes, I saw. He came out and one car picked him and go fast. I think he went so far.
Oh no. How shall I catch him?
It's really difficult. How dare you? Why not you come on time?
Sorry, ma'am. Next time I shall be careful about it.
Where is bag?
I keep that in your car. Bag is full with gold and diamonds.
Okay, I'm going now. And you disappear your face now fast.
Okay.
Stop and listen.
Yes.
Please like this video and please subscribe our channel, promote Pakistan too.